What's up everybody, this is Travis with ATTY. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ADV kit, aka the all-day vape kit, on the Kensei 24mm RTA by Vape. The first thing you want to do is take off that top cap. Next you'll find the fill port. The fill port has no knurling on the outer edge. You may want to use a pair of tweezers to take it off. After you have the top cap and the fill port taken off, you can then pop the glass right off. Next you want to take off that tank section with the juice ports. And what we'll be working with is just the middle section, just the tank section and the fill port. You'll take your tank section and place your ADV stainless steel ring on it. And you want to face the O-rings towards the middle. Both of the stainless steel rings on this kit are exactly the same. And you want to place your glass in between them. Next you'll place the other stainless steel ring on top of the glass and insert your fill port. Now you want to start this with your hands just to make sure you don't cross thread the top cap with the tank section, and then you can use your tweezers, or if you have a key of some sort you can use that also. Once you have the two screwed together, it's time to put your coil back in the build deck. Put that right back in the device. At this point you'll be ready to close off the juice ports and fill your tank. Once you have your tank full, you can then put on that top cap. Thanks everybody for checking out the video. If you want to purchase the ADV kit, go to www.inkedaddy.com. Leave a like and comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Have a great day.